Good morning, first graders. Miss Kyler here with the Number Corners. As always, I need for you to make a prediction for today's calendar card. So far, we've seen digital and analog clocks. We've seen 1 o'clock, 1:30, 12:30. We've seen 4:30, 6 o'clock, 5 o'clock. What time and what type of clock do you think we will see today? Look for a pattern. I already noticed the pattern. Have you? Okay, let's go ahead and see if your prediction was correct. Did you predict that there would be a analog clock? And let's take a closer look to see what time is on this analog clock. Now we see that the hour hand is between the 6 and the 7, so that's the 6 o'clock hour. And we see that the long hand is on the 6, which means 30, which means half past, right? So we can say 6:30, or we could say half past 6 because that hour hand is halfway up to 7. So let's go ahead and keep going with our date. So my first grade friends, we know whenever we say our date, we start with the day of the week, and today is Thursday, March the 11th, 2021. And we're going to say that one more time together. Today is Thursday, March the 11th, 2021. Now, let's go ahead and say our days of the week together. And we always start with Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So, my first graders, we know from our calendar today is Thursday. Read with me. Yesterday was. Yesterday was Wednesday. Okay, read with me one more time. Tomorrow will be, if today is Thursday, tomorrow will be Friday. All right, let's keep going. So we are going to say our months of the year. We always start with January, our first month, and go down to our current. So January, February, March. Let's go ahead and give March a circle. And now let's go ahead and write our date two different ways. So we know we can write our date two different ways. The first with our numbers, and then the second way is with the abbreviation for March. So we know that March is the third month of the year, and today is the 11th day of March, and our year is 2021. But Miss Kyler's only going to write the last two digits, that 2 and that 1. And now let's write the abbreviation for March, then bring down that 11, comma, 2021, all four digits. Now, how many days have we been learning and growing together? Oh my goodness, on yesterday we made it to 117 days. Today is a brand new day, so let's add another square and we see 118 days. Okay, let's go ahead and look at how we write this three-digit number and how we spell it. So here is how we write the three-digit number, and here is how we spell 118. We know that it's a three-digit number, so we have the number in the hundreds place, the tens place, and the ones. So let's add that 1 that's in the hundreds place, that 1 that's in the tens place, and that 8 that's in the ones place. Now, you know it, we're collecting money. We're looking at our pennies, our nickels, and our dimes. So let's go ahead and say our rhymes for today. And we start with our pennies. Penny, penny, easily spent, copper brown, and worth 1 cent. Now, nickels. Nickel, nickel, thick and fat, you're worth 5 cents. I know that. And last, dimes. Dime, dime, little and thin. I remember you're worth 10. Okay, let's go ahead and add to our graph for today. Okay, so let's go ahead and give our spinner a spin. And we're adding 2 nickels. So let's go ahead, and we know nickels are 5 cents, so that's 1 5 cent and 2 5 cents. So let's see how many more pennies we have. So we have All of these are the same, partners. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more. There's 6 more pennies than nickels, and there are quite a few more pennies than dimes. So all of those, let's see, that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 more pennies than dimes. Wow. So we're collecting a lot of pennies this week. Now let's go ahead and finish up our number corners for today. Now my first graders, go ahead, get ready, click on this button, start on your class kick assignment. I'll see you later.